Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today it gives me great pleasure to show you around brand new 2019 Swift Special Edition Fairway 480 two-berth exclusive caravan to Broad Lane. Looks absolutely fantastic from the exterior. It's a new body shape. Front panel's completely different to last year's model, as you can see. Window shapes are different. The gas lock is also different too. Comes in a great specification, dare I say, at a great price point. I'll point out some of its features as I show you around it. It's based loosely on the Swift Challenger 480 model, but the Fairway Special Edition, as you may or may not know, comes with a whole host of extras. These include, for example, the looks back option, which is effectively your gas barbecue point, exterior power point, alarm, illuminated splashback, but it also comes with the Aldi heating system as standard also. Without further ado, I'd like to show you around it. As I say, it's just arrived, it's hot off the press, so to speak. Comes with ATC active trailer control, external gas barbecue point for outdoor cooking, external access locker to retrieve things from under the front seats. You've even got what they call an entertainment hatch, so that you can power up and watch TV out in an awning. And it's got exterior mains too, alloy wheels, stunning graphic pack. It's GRP exterior, so it'll look fantastic forevermore, bar dare I say it, a major impact. Interior, it's got the overlocker lighting, high gloss finish on those lockers, as you can see, positive catches, LED lighting which are dimmable. Got your roof light window, panoramic sunroof, fixed window, 3 opening windows, chest of drawers, that's new, the way that operates soft closed drawer system. Binnacle at the front there, that's all brand new. Power point, aerial point, USB points, all new upholstery, curtains and scatter cushions, as you can see, over last year's model. It does come with loose laid carpets, but as I say, this model has just arrived. This is a very, dare I say it, sneak preview. Access to the corner lockers for this year. Kitchen area features a useful microwave, splashbacks new, plenty of power points, as you can see. Cooker unit appears to be new too. Kitchen extension, always useful. You'll notice it features the tall slimline fridge freezer unit. Wonderful. So that you may go away for months on end should you choose. Extractor fan takes in or blows in the cool air, takes out the food smells. Long sideboard unit there, look, somewhere to pop your bits and bobs. Loads of storage, as I said. New control panel over the door, which gives you access to your lighting, your pump, etc. I also understand it incorporates your entertainment system. Residential style door handle to the washroom on the back. You've got loo, push button electric flush, swivel seat, opaque window. Got the radiator there behind that cowl in care of the Aldo wet central heating system. If you've not experienced that before, it's an absolutely wonderful heating system. You really can go away any time of year. Got the illuminated mirror, nice touch, a proper size wash basin, storage, and then lastly a proper size practical shower cubicle that us big chaps can get into. It's got the bifold easy access door. You've even got the bar there with cords so that you can hang maybe wet towels, etc, etc. There you have it. It's a sneak preview, hot off the press, 2019 Swift Fairway Special Edition, unique to Broad Lane 480. This is our two-berth end bathroom. Absolutely beautiful caravan. All new colourways throughout, interior, new body shell on the front panel, etc. And it's here for you to come and have a look. These will shortly be in our indoor showroom for you to view. We also have arrived the Elegance model. We've got our other brand new Swift Fairway model, which features a blow heating system. This is our Platinum model with the wet central heating. So that model's a different specification, different price point. We've also got this Centenary Edition Eccles just turned up, and as I say, they will be imminently in our indoor showroom. Any questions, please call us. It's 01789 763 432, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.